In this video, I will show you how to lock apps on iPhone with Face ID or passcode. So right now I will show you the easiest method to lock any app on your iPhone with Face ID and passcode. First of all, go to your iPhone settings app and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. And here you have to update your iPhone to iOS 18. So as you can see, I've already installed the iOS 18 on my iPhone. And now just search for the app or game that you want to lock with Face ID. So let's lock TikTok. So I'm going to hard pressing on TikTok. And here, tapping on Require Face ID. And here we can see two different options. To lock the app, just tap on Require Face ID. And to lock and hide the specific app, just tap on Hide and Require Face ID. So let's hide the app. And now scan your Face ID. Once you successfully scanned your Face ID, now if I try to reopen the TikTok app, as you can see, it's asking to verify my Face ID. Or you can enter your passcode to unlock the app. So that's how we can lock app with Face ID or passcode. And to unlock the app again, hard press on the app and tap on Don't Require Face ID and verify your face, and the app will be again unlocked. So that's how you will be able to easily lock apps on your iPhone with your face and passcode. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.